In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images move on Clipchamp. It's a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of how to animate your images for your video projects. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to clipchamp.com. Alternatively, if you have it installed on your computer, you can find Clipchamp in your Microsoft apps. Once you're there, if you're new to Clipchamp and haven't signed up yet, click on Try for free to get started. For those who already have an account, simply click Sign In. For a smooth sign-in experience, I recommend continuing with your Microsoft account. Click on Continue with Microsoft and then select the appropriate Microsoft account. This step will seamlessly direct you to the Clipchamp homepage, ready to begin your video project. Now that you are on the homepage, click on Create a new video. This will open up the Clipchamp editor where you can start adding your media. The next step is to import your media files, so click on Import Media. You'll have the option to import directly from your computer. Select the images and videos you want to incorporate into your project. With your media imported, you'll need to add it to your timeline. Click or drag your video first onto the timeline for structure, and then proceed to click or drag your images into the timeline. At this point, you can start adjusting your images. This can include resizing them, repositioning them, or applying filters as you see fit. For precision, it's a good idea to zoom in on your timeline so you can see each frame clearly. This helps when you move on to splitting the image frame by frame, allowing you to create the illusion of movement. After splitting, adjust each frame meticulously. This could involve small shifts or rotations of the image to simulate movement, making your images appear animated within the video. The final and crucial step is to preview your video. Always take a moment to view your animation in motion. This ensures everything flows smoothly and allows you to spot any necessary tweaks before finalizing your project. And that's it. With a little practice, you'll be able to make stunning movements with images in Clipchamp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to experiment and have fun with your animations. Happy editing!